In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can read a book online and get paid for doing so. And the best part about this is that you actually don't even have to do any of the reading. I'm going to be showing you a special tool that will do this for you. But you have to make sure that you watch this video all the way through to the end so you can learn exactly how to do this step by step. This is a great way for you to be able to earn some extra money by the end of today. And what's great about this method is that it's available in any country all over the world. The only thing you need is either a smartphone, computer, or a laptop in order to do this strategy. And you can do this in just a matter of minutes, simply by clicking a few buttons. It's very simple and straightforward, and best of all, it's completely free. But before we get into today's video, please click on the subscribe button as well as the like button, and make sure you also click the notification bell so you are notified immediately every time we upload a new video on how to make money online. Also, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Okay, let's get back to the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to Amazon.com and then type in the search bar audiobook and click on search. You don't need to publish any books, do any sort of graphic design, or have any tech skills whatsoever. What I'll actually end up doing is showing you a really simple method for you to use. There's something really great that's offered within the Amazon company. So next, I want to go over to acx.com. ACX is a website where they will turn your book into an audiobook and then have your audiobook published on several different platforms like Audible, Amazon, or iTunes. If you scroll down a bit here, you'll notice that all of the articles are published on this site. This is where people will come in order to buy the audiobook. And remember, we will not be publishing any ebooks for this method. So, for ACX, how it works is that you are the narrator. The first thing you need to do is create a profile. And in order to create a profile, you will first need to sign up for an ACX account, which is completely free. The second step is to upload samples, and you can read an unlimited number of samples. And like it says, the more audio samples you include, the easier it is for authors to find you. Here's an example of someone who has read hundreds of audiobooks. You're basically just going to be reading an entire book. And then after you have done that, you will submit it to ACX in order to get paid. After you've submitted your audiobook, you'll be able to select which payment method that you would prefer. You could either do a direct bank transfer, use PayPal, or you can even get paid through cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. There is a wide variety of different ways that you can get paid through ACX. And then after that, there are another two options of getting paid. You can either get paid per finished hour rate or share 50% of royalties. So the first option of per finished hour rate, you will get paid per minute or per hour for every book that you read. And then the second option is for you to actually publish a book. So if you were to publish your own book and list it for sale, every time someone purchases that audiobook, you will get 50% of the royalties forever. Those are the two ways that you can get paid through this website. Step 4 is to go through an audition. You will click on this link where it says search for books and find a book that you're interested in narrating and producing yourself, and then you'll record a few minutes of the manuscript. You'll then submit the sample of your narration, and once they approve you, you will then be able to work and get paid every single day. But don't worry. Like I said, you won't have to be doing any of the reading yourself or recording yourself with a microphone. I'm going to be sharing with you a special tool that will do this work for you. I'll show you this strategy where you can copy and paste the script and have all of the reading done for you using this free tool. This will then allow you to provide ACX with a very standard, basic script in order to get accepted through your audition. So this unique approach will enable you to not have to read or record any scripts at all. You can skip to the last step in order to get paid by using this approach. On the front page, it shows that there are almost 2,000 audition samples from a variety of different books. They'll provide you with a script that you will read from each of these ebooks. So normally, when you audition, you will need a microphone and have to dedicate a few hours to finish reading the entire script. So to avoid doing that, I want you to head over to a website called Ttsreader.com. This is the first free tool that I want to introduce you to. Essentially, it's a website where you can paste in text and it will produce an audio recording of a person reading the text. So I want you to go back to acx.com and copy a script that you are required to read to audition, and then paste it here onto ttsreader.com. A great part about ttsreader.com is that you can select any voice you want with any accent from many countries all across the world. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video so far, please subscribe and like this video, and make sure to click on the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a new video teaching you how to make money online. All right, let's get back to the video. What's great about the voice selection is that you can also choose a male or female voice. So as an example, I will select this voice right here. I will then highlight everything I want to be read back to me and click on the play button in order to get a preview of what the voice will sound like when they read the text. Ttsreader has an algorithm that uses AI technology where they will take the text that you paste in here and read it back to you in a natural and professional sounding voice. This process is completely automated and is available in several different options. Once you're ready and have selected an option that sounds good to you, you can then click on this download button right here to receive a downloaded version of the audio recording. This can be sent to your phone, computer, or laptop for you to use however you like. Next, I'll show you the second tool that is similar to this one, but it is a lot more complex and powerful than this one and produces an even more authentic sounding voice for you. This next website is called Naturalreaders.com. It works very similarly, where you will copy and paste the script into this box and then select which voice you want to read the text in. And in order to hear a sample preview, just click on the play button. And then in order to download the text recording, you'll just click on this button right here that says MP3. That will then download the audio to your phone or computer. And then once you get the download, you will then submit this to acx.com so you can then get accepted. Now I'm going to give you another extra tip so you can get a shortcut throughout this process. I want you to go over to the website called Fiverr.com. Type in the search box voiceover and then click on search. This will then provide you with several different freelancers who will give you a voiceover for any text that you provide to them. There's a wide range of several different services that you can receive when getting a voiceover recording. So let's click on one as an example. They show you what they will offer you for how much they request for their respective freelance gig. And you can usually find voiceover gigs from anywhere between $5 and $10. But here's the catch. You don't actually even have to pay some of these freelancers. What you can do is scroll down to where it says About the Seller and click on Contact Me. Then you can message this person requesting a free sample demo recording of the audition script. And then once you get the audition sample, you can submit that to acx.com. After the seller has given it to you, you can return back to this Fiverr freelancer and pay them. If they accept, then you won't have to release any of your own fonts as a result. If the freelancer that you contact doesn't want to provide you with the free demo, then just continue this process with other freelancers until you find one that does accept. This is a great shortcut to use and is probably the best method since you're having a real person using their voice instead of AI technology. And the best part about this is that it's completely free. The other two websites with AI technology are also fantastic free options for you to use. With whatever option you choose, the amount of money that you can earn on acx.com is unlimited. This is a great opportunity for you to earn some pretty good money on this website. Registering to become a member of this website is also very simple and very straightforward. You just need to provide your name, email address, and password to complete your account and start earning immediately. And that's basically it. That brings us to the end of today's video. Make sure you rewatch this video so you can follow all of the steps exactly so you can make the most money possible and know exactly what you need to do. If you got value from this video, please subscribe and like the video if you haven't already, and make sure you click on the notification bell so you are notified immediately every time we upload a brand new video teaching you how to make money online in the easiest way possible. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, click on this video right here.